Welcome to Symantec.cloud, the leading provider of cloud-based services for email, web, instant messaging, endpoint security, and data. During this presentation, we'll be looking at our Web Security.cloud service. The security threat posed by the web is more acute and extensive than ever before. Almost any website, including perfectly legitimate ones, can now be used to host viruses and spyware. Companies must also control users' web surfing behavior to protect against time wasting, exposing the organization to legal liability, and risk of infection by malware. The answer to these problems is Web Security.cloud, a hosted service that can be quickly deployed and is easy to manage, protecting your organization and enforcing your acceptable use policy for users at your main office, remote sites, or out on the road. Web traffic coming from your organization flows through our global network of secure data centers, where it's checked against your policies for any violations, and the content of websites is scanned for malware threats with no discernible delay. Web Security.cloud is managed via our administration portal. Once your service has been provisioned, you can configure it to your requirements. For antivirus and anti-spyware, you can specify the message a user will see when an infected web page is blocked. Since Web Security.cloud is a hosted service, all other security updates are performed in our data centers, protecting you against the latest threats. Policy rules give your users the web access they require, while providing effective control and minimizing risk. You can control access to content types, a specific URL, or choose from over 80 categories of URL, such as alcohol, adult, or gambling. Access can also be restricted to specific time periods, or you can set a bandwidth quota. These rules can be applied to a particular employee or group of employees, with information synchronized with your Active Directory. Once you've set up a policy, you can then decide what action to take when that policy is triggered. To monitor user behavior using an existing policy, you can choose to allow and log, which will still give the user access, but log that the rule has been triggered and by whom. Or you can block access to the web page. Web Security.cloud provides comprehensive reporting functionality, so you can monitor how the service is performing. The dashboard gives you an easy at-a-glance view of key elements of the service over set time periods. Scheduled Reports gives you more detailed reports in CSV format, while the Reporting Wizard allows you to easily create a custom report with the data you want, from a specific time period you define, delivered in the way you want in just 4 easy steps. The advantages of Web Security.cloud are clear. Roaming user support. Our SmartConnect agent extends Web Security.cloud protection to mobile users. Effective threat protection, including our Skeptic technology, a proven defense against new and hard-to-detect malware. Easily manage users' web behavior with granular policies to suit your organization. Global coverage and minimal latency through Symantec.cloud's network of data centers. Professional support. 24/7/365 telephone and email support from cloud specialists is included with your service. For further product information, please visit the product pages of your local Symantec.cloud website. You can also purchase online or sign up for a free trial today.